So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Noise Free campaign we go about looking at how we can cancel Amazon orders when we don't get the cancel order option. Now this happened to me and so I want to record this thing. So basically here on my order list there's a specific order that's running late and it's running too late. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel this specific order. So I tap on this. Typically this is the manage order page and you should see the cancel order option. It's not there. So I click on contact seller. And here it opens up the messaging assistant. So I need to select the order which I need to cancel. So I click on this, I click on select, I want to return this. Okay, connect me to the customer service. Still it takes a lot of time. So you need to scroll down, click on contact us. Then still again you need to click on call us. And again select from the order list. So we'll do that. So tap on another order and then scroll down, show older orders. So there is an order, I need to click on this and then again I need to cancel or return an item. So I want to cancel this item. So it says that you can go back to manage order and do that, but that didn't work. Therefore I need to continue to customer service. I need to tap on this. So here on this page I put in my number and I click on call me now. So we are waiting for the call to come. So the call has come. So we'll just answer this.
To Amazon customer service. And we will connect you to one of our associates. This is not my name is Neha.
Yeah, actually the thing is I placed an Amazon order and in that specific order is running late. In the contact option, I don't see cancel order coming in that page. Can you please help me cancel the order? It's for ring lights.
Right.
Yeah, perfect. It is that specific order, yes.
Okay, so you haven't received this product yet and you want to cancel this order?
Yes.
Okay, no worries. So I'm doing one thing. I'm cancelling this order from my end and I'm refunding your amount by paying on call itself. So kindly just give me 2 minutes. I'm raising a complaint and at the same time initiating refund for this. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
Understood?
Please put my call on hold. No issues.
Staying connected.
No issues.
Yeah, I have cancelled this order and I have initiated a refund for you.
Right.
So as I can check, you have paid using your net banking, right?
Right.
Yeah, so the refund will be there in your account within 5 working days, which completes on 17th. And regarding this, I'll providing your mail, okay, confirmation mail.
Absolutely. Ma'am, just one more thing. Why under manage order history there was no cancel order option for this specific order?
Because this product is somewhere misplaced. This is not yet cancelled. It's showing this product was lastly on New Delhi on 7th August. And this was supposed to be delivered to you on 2nd of August, right?
Right.
So this is misplaced. This order is probably delivered to an incorrect courier facility.
Okay.
So that's why it's not yet cancelled. And for this, we will be raising a complaint and we will be initiating the refund. And it will be showing it may take
Thank you. So this is how you would be going ahead and cancelling your order when the cancel order is not available. Just to let you know, under normal orders you will find the cancel order option appearing. So say this item is there. So I will just check for this item, So as soon as I click on the specific item, I have this request cancellation option and I can go ahead and click on request cancellation. But when you don't get this option, that's when you have to click on contact seller, go into message assistant and then finally go to continue to customer service when they receive a call and then request them for order cancellation, and the refund is getting processed as well. The refund gets processed to the original payment method and within 5 working days you will get your money back. I hope today's tutorial is helpful. If it is, consider subscribing to the channel so that you can get more valuable tutorials like this anytime we post that. So thank you so much. Until next time, it's me signing off.